We've talked about light as a traveler, a constant, a ruler of time and space. But light isn't just a concept for physicists and astronomers. It's deeply embedded in your everyday life, often in ways you never notice. Let's start with something close to home: your health. When you go to the doctor and get an X-ray, what's really happening? You're being exposed to high-frequency electromagnetic waves, a form of light. These waves are powerful enough to pass through soft tissue, but are absorbed by denser materials like bone. That difference in absorption is what creates the haunting, ghostly images of your skeleton. Clear and crisp snapshots of your internal structure. But X-rays are just one tool in the medical light arsenal. Now consider MRI machines, which don't use light directly, but instead rely on electromagnetic fields. These powerful fields align the protons in your body's water molecules. Then radio waves, another form of light, are used to disturb them. As the protons return to their natural alignment, they emit signals that are detected and turned into incredibly detailed images. Yes, radio waves, microwaves, X-rays, gamma rays, they're all just light. Different frequencies, different energies, but all part of the electromagnetic spectrum. That means light isn't just what helps you see, it's what helps you heal. And it doesn't stop there. Your phone? It communicates via radio waves. Your microwave oven? It cooks your food by vibrating water molecules using, you guessed it, microwaves, another form of light. When you stream your favorite video, check your GPS, browse the internet over Wi-Fi, or even listen to music over Bluetooth, you're using invisible light to move data from one place to another. Entire oceans of information travel through walls, air, satellites, and cables as carefully modulated light pulses. Light is everywhere, quietly holding modern life together. But let's look even farther, outward, into the cosmos. Everything we know about the universe beyond our own solar system has been brought to us by light. Telescopes like the Hubble Space Telescope or the newer James Webb Space Telescope don't physically travel to stars or galaxies. Instead, they capture faint photons, particles of light that have traveled across billions of light years, carrying information from the edge of the observable universe. These photons began their journey before Earth even formed, and only now are arriving in our detectors, whispering the stories of ancient stars, exploding supernovae, and newborn galaxies. Without light, we'd be blind to the universe. We'd know nothing of cosmic expansion, black holes, exoplanets, or the Big Bang. Even the existence of dark matter and dark energy, which we cannot see, has been inferred by watching how light behaves around galaxies. The bending, stretching, and dimming of starlight gives us indirect evidence of invisible forces at work. In short, light is our telescope, our microscope, and our messenger. It builds our understanding from both directions, from the cellular level to the cosmic scale, from the bones in your hand to the birth of the universe. And here's something even more profound. Light doesn't just illuminate objects, it reveals structure. Its behavior helps us understand not just where things are, but what they are made of, how fast they're moving, and even what they're becoming. When we look at distant stars, their color shift, red shift or blue shift, tells us whether they're moving away from us or toward us. When we analyze the spectrum of starlight, we see the chemical fingerprints of the elements inside those stars. We can even estimate their temperature, size, and life cycle, all from the light they emit. So light becomes more than a traveler. It becomes a translator, turning the silence of the universe into understandable data. And what makes it all work is that light, no matter its form, whether visible, ultraviolet, infrared, or radio, always obeys the same rules. The same equations that govern lasers and fiber optics also govern starlight and cosmic radiation. From hospital imaging to galactic discovery, It's all one unified story. And maybe that's what's most extraordinary. We live in a universe where a single phenomenon, electromagnetic radiation, can act as our eyes, our voice, our data stream, and our diagnostic tool. It touches every part of our existence, and yet we often forget it's even there. At Infinity Beyond, we believe that light's subtle presence is one of the greatest gifts of nature. A force so gentle, yet so powerful. So familiar, yet so vast. So the next time you pass through an airport body scanner, send a text message, or see an X-ray on a monitor, pause for a moment. Remember that behind every pixel, every pulse, every discovery is light doing what it does best, moving forward, carrying truth. In the next segment, we'll follow a single photon on its full journey, from its creation in the heart of a star to the moment it reaches your eye. A breathtaking tour through fusion, escape, flight, and perception. Until then, keep your eyes open. The universe is speaking, and its language is light.